You publish a brand new blog post. You wait a few days, then a week, maybe even a month. But when you search Google, your page is nowhere to be found. Sound familiar? The truth is, Google doesn't automatically index every page on the internet. In fact, thousands of perfectly good blog posts never make it into Google search results because of a few common mistakes. In this video, I'll show you the 7 biggest reasons Google isn't indexing your website and exactly how to fix each one.
Welcome back to TrendMeek. If you're trying to grow your website with Google traffic, this video could save you weeks of frustration. Everything I'll show you today uses free Google tools, so let's get started.
Most beginners confuse published with indexed. Publishing simply means your article is live. Indexing means Google has discovered it, understood it, and added it to its search database. Think of Google as the world's biggest digital library. If your book isn't on the library shelf, nobody can borrow it. That's exactly what happens when your page isn't indexed. Even the best article won't get Google traffic if Google doesn't know it exists.
Many beginners panic after publishing yesterday. Google may take days or even weeks to discover a page naturally. That doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. However, you don't have to wait. Use Google Search Console to request indexing. Requesting indexing is not a guarantee that Google will index your page immediately. It simply asks Google to crawl it sooner. Sometimes Google wants to visit your website, but something blocks it. Examples: robots.txt, no index tag, server errors, broken pages. Explain each in simple language. Don't go too technical. This is one of the biggest reasons. Imagine searching how to start a blog. Google finds a 300-word article, a 2,500-word guide with screenshots. Which one helps users more? Usually the second. Explain that quality matters more than word count alone. A concise page can still rank if it thoroughly answers the searcher's question. Google discovers many pages by following links. If your new article isn't linked from anywhere else on your website, Google might discover it much later.
Google doesn't evaluate one page alone. It also considers the overall quality of the site. Discuss things like original content, clear navigation, helpful articles, avoiding duplicate pages.
Many beginners publish, then edit, then rewrite, then change the title, then change everything again. Constant changes can make it harder to evaluate how a page is performing. Recommend making thoughtful improvements, then giving Google time to crawl and assess the page. Before requesting indexing, ask yourself, is the page useful? Does it answer one clear question? Does it have internal links? Is it accessible? Is it unique? Is it worth showing on page 1? If you answered yes, Google has a much better reason to index it. If your pages aren't showing up in Google, don't panic. Most indexing problems can be fixed once you know what to check. Start with the basics we covered today, then give Google a little time to crawl your site. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to TrendMeek for more practical tutorials on blogging, SEO, websites, AI, and online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.